It's simply so hot today. And I'm thinking about what to eat. But I think I got an idea. I want strawberry today, strawberries tonight, then strawberry lemonades for the rest of the day. I think that's gonna help. It's gonna be good. Max, take off that hat when you're indoor. You're not a hipster. That was better. And now it's time to haul the strawberries. Just pick the green stuff and pull away. Or use a knife if you don't have nails to do it with. It's very simple, but I got a fast way to do it. Yeah. Rinse them. A lot of water, and gently mush them around with your hands. Pour off the water. Make sure to clean your sink first if anyone drops by, or you can just take them out of the water and put them into a sieve. The large ones you have to cut. The small ones you can just have in your mouth, so you can eat those directly. And I add some sugar when I'm halfway through, and then a bit more when I'm fully done. That gets an even more even distribution. And when it's time to eat them, just put them in your plate and add some cream or whole milk. This is the Danish classical summer dessert that we all eat every year. But usually, if you have a garden, you get too many strawberries at once. Just add a little bit of water in the bottom and then break apart the strawberries. That'll make them release the juice faster. You can use your hands. I usually do that. Just squeeze them, not too much. That will make your lemonade cloudy and unclear. We don't want that. As soon as it heats, it starts to release the liquids. And let it simmer very slowly. It very easily boils over and you have strawberry lemonade all over your stove. See, this is with the lid on. Don't do it with the lid on. It will cause a disaster. I know, bitter experience. Very slow simmer. And when they start to lose their color and they become pale and soft and mush, then they have released all the juice they can. No reason to boil them any further. Sieve them, don't pour like this because it'll splatter all over your kitchen. Use a spoon. It takes a little longer, but there's a lot less cleaning. And you can do it like this to release the last juices. Or you can carefully use a spoon. Don't press it down because then you will have porridge. And you will end up with this very beautiful, very red and clean lemonade. But it's very sour. So we need to sweeten it. We got to notice how much liquid there is. This is about a little more than a liter. And so I add a little more than a liter of sugar, 1:1 by volume. Heat it up to dissolve the sugar. And you can taste it. If it's very sour, you don't have to add a lemon. But usually you always do. So squeeze the lemon into the liquid. Let it simmer to kill the bacteria and make sure the sugar is dissolved. Let it cool, and then it's done. It's a very good lemonade. and you can find the list of ingredients and the recipe on kvalifood.